Hello សួស្តីអ្នកគ្នាតោះយើងមកបន្តហ្គេមGenshin Impact យើងបន្តទៀតវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំថតពីថ្ងៃអង្គារអ្នកគ្នាចឹងប្រហែលជាខ្ញុំផុសថ្ងៃសុក្រជាមួយ Win Smith ខ្ញុំទៅ record ឲ្យដែរឥឡូវយើងនេះអ្នកគ្នាខ្ញុំនិយាយបន្តដែរនៅក្នុង Win Smith ឥឡូវយើងមានសង្គ្រាមមួយប្រទេសថៃចឹងទៅជូនពរអ្នកគ្នាដែលនៅតាមព្រំដែនបដោយកម្ពុជាថៃក៏ដូចជាបងពូអ៊ំដែលប្រើជួកងទ័ពការពារជាតិក៏ដូចជាប្រជាជនស៊ីវិលនៅតាមបណ្ដោយព្រំដែនមិនថាជាអ្នកមើលក្នុងវីដេអូរបស់ខ្ញុំឬក៏អត់មើលក្តីស្គមតែអ្នកគ្នាសុខសុវត្ថិភាពទាំងអស់គ្នាចឹងពីខ្ញុំមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេអ្នកគ្នាស្គមថាបញ្ហាហ្នឹងនឹងឆាប់ចប់ចោះអ្នកគ្នាយើងមិនចង់ឲ្យនៅយូរទេបើនៅយូរក៏សេដ្ឋកិច្ចយើងក៏ពិបាកដែរហើយឥឡូវសេដ្ឋកិច្ចពងពិបាកផងហើយយើងមានសង្គ្រាមទៀតក៏កាន់តែពិបាកដែរអ្នកគ្នាមិនលេងសាយណាអ្នកគ្នាអ្នកមកពីថៃដែលគាត់ដែលមានសង្គ្រាមនឹងគាត់មកយើងវាអត់ទាន់មានការងារប្រកបពួកគាត់ហ្នឹងចឹងទៅវាកង្វះហ្មងអ្នកគ្នាចឹងវាធ្វើឲ្យសេដ្ឋកិច្ចយើងក៏វាធ្លាក់តាមហ្នឹងដែរពីមុនគាត់ទៅធ្វើការនៅថៃចឹងទៅគាត់យកប្រាក់ចំណូលហ្នឹងមកចូលប្រទេសយើងដែរតែពេលភ្លាមចឹងក៏យើងងើបវាមិនទាន់រួចដែរការនេះអវត្តសេដ្ឋកិច្ចក៏រាំងធ្លាក់ចុះដែរអ្នកគ្នាចឹងមានតាមហ្នឹងអ្នកគ្នាយើងតស៊ូទាំងអស់គ្នាទៅមុខទៀតពីខ្ញុំមានប៉ុណ្ណឹងឯងអ្នកគ្នាតោះយើងលេងហ្គេមរបស់យើងវិញកុំចូលសាច់រឿងយោបាយច្រើនពេកយើងលេងហ្គេមក្នុង e-sport សប្បាយទេតោះយើងខ្ញុំគិតថាខ្ញុំធ្វើ commission quest បន្តិចតោះអ្នកគ្នាណាដែលនៅតាមចិត្តព្រំដែនអីចាំcomment ប្រាប់ខ្ញុំផងអ្នកគ្នាសុខទុក្ខបាច់ហើយឥឡូវចេញនេះគូចេញគូសេតូចនេះអត់លាកខោលាកអីយ៉ាប់លាកខោលាកសាខោរឹបយ៉ាប់សេតូចដល់ថ្មីណងទៀតអ្នកគ្នាបើមានអ្នកគ្នាណាលេង Win Smith ឬក៏ Genshin Impact អីអ្នកគ្នាចាំជួយ add ខ្ញុំផងនេះ ID របស់ខ្ញុំអ្នកគ្នានៅក្រោម18 10គាត់07 56 57ចាំជាមួយខ្ញុំចាប់ semester នេះហើយខ្ញុំសម្រាប់មួយខែអ្នកគ្នាអញ្ចឹងទៅខ្ញុំមានពេលច្រើនខ្ញុំធ្វើនេះចាំខ្ញុំបង្កើតអីគេចាំខ្ញុំបង្កើតនេះអ្នកគ្នាចាំខ្ញុំបង្កើត Discord ចូលជា community តោះគ្នាហើយនឹងខ្ញុំថារៀបចំchannel Telegram អីដែរអ្នកគ្នាតែ Telegram Discord ទុកធ្វើជាឆាតលេងមួយអ្នកគ្នាហើយយើងកាន់តែស្និទ្ធស្នាលឲ្យប្រិមិត្តប្រុសយើងគាត់ឆាប់រកបានដៃគូដោយសារឥឡូវយើងមានកំណើនអ្នកនៅលីវច្រើនណាស់ឆាប់មានដៃគូទៅខ្ញុំក៏អត់ដែរដៃគូមានគ្រួសារមានអីទៅយើងបង្កើតធនធានទៅមុខទៀតកុំឲ្យចាញ់ប្រទេសជិតខាង លីវតែខ្លួនឯងហ្នឹងប្រាប់គេហ្នឹងខ្លួនឯងអត់ទាន់មានអីទេអត់ទាន់មានឆောင်းឆាមានអីនឹងគេទេព្រោះអត់ដោយសារអត់មានអាយុទៅពីលើនឹងទៅខ្ញុំចង់វាយលបងកុកដល់ហើយលបងកុកហ្នឹងតយើងមកពីលើដាក់ភ្លឹបដាក់បងកុកឃើញណាស់ហើយម្ដងតាបឹប
Up and away! Ills be gone!
Cốc á
Closing in!
mà rọt mà
Retribution!
chạy on nó chạy on nó broនេះច្រើនតែរត់បុកយ៉ា
Incoming!
ប៉ាសិតូនឆក់ទៅត្រឹតអូខេយើងមកពីលើភ្នំវិញព្រោះយើងចាប់មកតាយើងលេងលឿនទៅចាប់បានយើងធ្វើអីផ្សេងទៀតអូយលោកភ្នាក់អស់កាច់អូខេដល់វាយើងថាទៅខ្វះតានេះធ្វើឡូតហ្មងពេលពេលណាបានសម្រាប់ទេលឹបអើយ
With sword comes shadow.
ដាក់ហ្មងលឹប
Don't blink.
មកទៀតហ៎មកអូយយយយយអូយយដាក់ហ្មងលឹបchơi ai nhỉ làm mồi ôi rốt bốc kia đây tận nó mà cả bị rốt bốc chân thợ ấy on
Speed of light.
chạy thợ ấy xe nhỏ cả bị rốt bốc nè ta ini nó mới tiết những cái tay nó bên nó lấy không tầm môi đi nó cái ta
Don't blink.
nó lấy chọc cho lấy hả đã tự rồi chụp tận ấy đi miên một miên ok
Cut to the chase.
dạ em về mòn á tao bọn không một ai lắp ôi
Incoming. Hey!
តោះយើងហើយអស់ហើយមិនសិនខ្លីយើងអូខេយើងទៅយក commission យើងតិចអ្នកគ្នាគាត់ធ្វើ commission ខ្វៃអស់10នាទីចឹងបានថាចំណាយពេលយូរណាស់លេងហ្គេមនេះ
Ad Astra. Thank you for
អូខេតោះតោះនេះយើងធ្វើឲ្យឆនខ្វៃយើងតោះអូខេតោះ
What? You really got the ghost to promise to stop haunting the inn? Wow. You really are something. I am in your debt. Please, wait a moment. I'll make you the smoothest, silkiest bowl of almond tofu.
រត់ចេញមកក្រៅ
My hands are steadier than ever now that she's gone.
Okay, tao.
You two, again.
Wait! Don't go disappearing again!
What's this?
It's your favorite almond tofu, as well as this distant traveler's best dish, a satisfying salad. Quick, tell him everything before he finishes eating.
Rex Lapis. How could this be? I can't imagine it. Though times have changed, I've never imagined a Liyue without him. The ruling Qixing. Just what role have they played in this? I will seek Mooncarver, Mountain Shaper, and Cloud Retainer. It is time they too made their decisions. Adepti do not turn on their responsibilities. I have my reasons to not want to be tainted by the mortal realm, but responsibilities are responsibilities. Our god is the god of contracts, after all.
Wait! Paimon still has one last question.
គឺមកយាបែបផៃមក
Does he mean she's...
When conquering demons, on occasion, you can come across spirits who have never hurt anyone, yet are also not yet able to be moved on. So I asked the innkeeper and the boss if they could keep her here for a time.
So really, Wangshuin was looking after her. Really keeping a wide range of business going, huh?
តោះអូតនេះវល់ខ្វះច្រើនណាស់នេះមួយតនេះគេ
This could be an ops.
អូឆ្ងាយឆ្ងាយណាស់គ្នា ត់ការទេធ្វើអត់ការទេយើងធ្វើខ្វេះអាចចង់ខ្វេះយើងវិញអូយធ្វើខ្វេះនេះពិបាកណាស់ តើនេះដបងពេជ្រហ្មង
Have mercy, O mighty Adeptus. I beg you, show mercy upon me and my brother. Spare our lives. Who are you? What's going on?
We asked you first.
Oh. You enjoy safe passage in Joyun Karst. It can only mean one thing. You must be Adepti messengers, sent here to rescue me and my brother.
What is he talking about?
Oh, have mercy, mighty messengers of the illuminated Adepti. I beg you to save us. My brother and I, we only came here because our family is poor, and we heard tell of treasures hidden in the amber of Mount Hulao. It was stupid of us. But all we wanted to do was find enough treasure to sell and support our family. We followed the path up the mountain, but suddenly, the amber, it swallowed up my brother Li Dang. I ran away and made it this far before it dawned on me. We were trespassers in the abode of the Adepti, and this was our punishment. I had no idea how to rescue my brother, so I just started praying for the Adepti to have mercy, right here on the spot. And now, at long last, 2 messengers come to my aid.
What? We're not Adepti messengers. We just want to find the Adepti like everyone else.
No, you must be messengers. You have to be. I have no idea which amber trapped him. Please, you have to rescue him. I beg you, show me some Adepti mercy. Thank you. Almighty messengers of the illuminated Adepti, I promise that we will never be so foolish again.
Paimon was gonna ask him about where to find the Adeptus, but he seems pretty one-track mind about rescuing his brother right now. So, he said that Li Dang got trapped in amber somewhere on Mount Hulao, and that they were following the path the whole way up. So let's follow the path down from here and make sure to be on the lookout for amber on the way.
ច្រឡំ bị slap. Oh. Lấp.
Speed of light.
Ôi, bị slap. Sẽ tội dưỡng. Ok ta.
What happened? You rescued me. Thank you. Oh, and have you seen my brother? His name is Li Ding. We were climbing the mountain together. I just hope he didn't get trapped in Amber too. Phew. So he's safe then? Oh, thank you. I will head up to find my brother now. Here's hoping I don't run into any more Amber on the way.
โอเคតោះយើងជួយបងគេបានមកតោះ
Don't blink! Hey! Incoming!
Thank you for rescuing my brother, oh mighty messengers of the illuminated Adepti.
ទៅជាយើងនេះ
No. I mean, like everyone else, we've heard that there's an Adeptus living in Mount Hulao. Regular folks like us would never have the chance to meet them. No way. Unlike you guys, you're Adepti messengers. So it's a whole different story. Anyway, we have trespassed in the realm of the Adeptus for long enough. We should get going. Thank you, mighty Adepti messengers.
Yes. Thank.
Boy, it'd be super helpful if we actually were Adepti messengers. Because it seems like this Adeptus has got a real temper problem. But it's not like we've done anything wrong, so...
Who dares trespass on my mountain? Who? Foolish mortal, come forth and receive your punishment.
ចំយើងវាយមេមែនអាម៉េចចេះមកអាម៉េចនោះ
You intrude upon the sanctity of Mount Hulao. You destroy the amber of my mountain. And you free a thief whose freedom is not yours to give. The thief's ignorance was an affront to the Adepti. But your actions are an abomination of the highest order.
Wait! We can explain!
A sigil of permission. One was unaware that such things still exist in the mortal realm. In the beginning, Rex Lapis cast them for the mortals with his own hand. Few were made then, and thousands of years on, fewer still remain. Speak. One shall listen to the matter which brings you here. Then one shall verify the truth thereof. You would be wise to speak the truth. For Liyue is not so far from here that one would be easily deceived. Rex Lapis, assassinated? At the rite of dissension? What mortal in Liyue, nay in all the world, would conspire to commit such foul treason? Or perhaps the more pertinent question is, what power in this world could aspire to achieve it? Rex Lapis charged the Adepti with the protection of Liyue, and we have always honored this duty. As the people have prospered, so have we gradually withdrawn into the mountains. Indeed, this was a gesture of goodwill towards humanity. But now, alas, Rex Lapis.
អារេកឡាភេនឹងគេបញ្ចុះវាបញ្ចុះនេះហ្នឹងដើម្បីការពារទីក្រុងលីយូ
Of the matter you have relayed,
លីយូអែ
one has become aware. One now knows why Moon Carver, has sent for us. Once one has dealt with certain matters here that require my attention, one shall convene with the other Adepti.
Paimon can! Adepti always have magical powers in storybooks. Seems it's true in real life, too. You know, like how grass is actually Adepti hair, and rivers are actually Adepti saliva. There must be something similar going on with the amber.
Your nonsense knows no bounds. This amber is produced by a flower that one has planted here, called the karst crawler. The majority of the plant is hidden underground. When stepped on, it produces amber to trap the invader. After taking up residence here, one planted many karst crawlers to ensure that the tranquility of the mountain would remain undisturbed. Over the years, they have helped to prevent many disturbances. But in the process, they have also trapped many curious things.
Oh, so the amber is alive?
Correct. Thus, one may not leave this place in its current state, for fear of the risk to innocent lives in one's absence. One will depart as soon as one has attended to this matter. One trusts that the manner of your departure will be swifter in nature.
Dah. Ôi dồi. Thật tới dương đờ bây giờ phiệp xa xóm bao giờ mà cái này bây giờ kia cho dương ta sẽ làm rec slap hào mà tên này xa rồi nè sẽ tôi
Hey, who put this table here? They've even set it ready for dinner. There's a wine jug and everything. Ooh, they even have the guests' names carved into the seats. Here sits Retainer. Here sits Guizhong. Here sits Rex. Maybe Rex is short for Rex Lapis. But Paimon has no idea about Guizhong. As for Retainer... That's it! When Mooncarver was going through the names of his Adepti buddies, he said there was one called Cloud Retainer. So this must be where Cloud Retainer and the other Adepti have their dinner parties. How about we cook up some extra special dishes for the Adepti? We're sure to get Cloud Retainer's attention that way. But what do Adepti even eat anyway? Paimon has no idea. People must make offerings here all the time. Guess all we can do is look around the area for any leftovers. Maybe that'll give us some ideas. Do you think maybe it's at all possible that the Adepti might like to try some sticky honey roast?
Tah. Now cái này lời đang dụ đáy rồi có đang dục cho hay nào khi nhom từ từ mở Merian bảy triêm bờ lò không khai năng rồi thôi cái cá nghe sẽ lạ khá thiệt chẳng nhom xong bật video trầm lăng sân này nào cái này con sắp cái tôi sẽ làm bởi cho chất xong này cái này chụp like chụp subscribe trên YouTube channel nhom phong hay và nào cái này bạn bờ không page có chămជួយ follow page ខ្ញុំផងអ្នកនរគ្នាអរគុណច្រើនចឹងចុងក្រោយក៏ មានមិនទេអ្នកគ្នាគាត់តែជូនពោអ្នកគ្នាណាដែលតាមបដោយព្រំដែនថាអ្នកទាំងគ្នាដែលមើលវីដេអូខ្ញុំឬក៏អត់បានមើលឬក៏បងពូអ៊ំដែលគាត់បំរើជាតបជួបមុខ
I'm all for work-life balance,
Chupo.
but I think this is
ឲ្យ
pushing
ជួបតែ
it.
សុខសមត្ថភាពទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយក៏គិតថានឹងបញ្ហារវាងកម្ពុជានិងថៃនឹងក៏នឹងចប់ទៅឆាប់ចុះអ្នកគ្នាមុនយើងចូលឆ្នាំថ្មី ភាសាឥឡូវយើងហើយចេះនៅដល់កន្លះខែជាងទៀតយើងចូលឆ្នាំថ្មី2026ហើយអ្នកគ្នាអញ្ចឹងក៏មានអីទេខ្ញុំមានតែសង្ឃឹមហ្នឹងសង្ឃឹមថាបញ្ហាហ្នឹងក៏ឆាប់ចប់ចុះពីខ្ញុំទៅមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងហើយអ្នកគ្នាអរគុណសម្រាប់ការទស្សនាម្ដងទៀតបាយជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយបន្តទៀត